If you've been on Instagram lately, you might have seen people saying, comment the word X below and I will send you a link to my free workshop, my new freebie, my program, or whatever it might be. And you might be wondering, how are people automatically sending me a message in my DM when I comment a certain word? These automations are actually created using a tool called Manychat. And in this video, I will show you step by step how you can set up an Instagram automation using Manychat. For the sake of this video, I am going to use this Instagram account. For context, this is an e-commerce agency account that offers e-commerce store creation and maintenance service. And they want to attract some prospects by offering a free website audit checklist. So I am going to use this as an example for this video. Let's get started. First of all, you need a Manychat account. So, click on the first link given in the video description and then create a Manychat account. Here, you need to connect your Instagram account. So click on this Get Started button here, and then we're going to choose Instagram for now because this is the main platform we're going to be using for this video. Then, you're going to have to link up your Facebook account here. This step is very self-explanatory, as it is similar to when you are creating a new account. Once you do that, you'll see a page like this. You can either continue with the free plan or use the Pro plan. I recommend you use the Pro plan to make full use of this tool. You'll get a 14-day trial of the Pro plan, which is really great. Manychat also offers seasonal coupons that will provide you an extended trial of 30 days as well. You can go to this video description to see if there are any such offers available or not. Next, I will enter my payment details and continue further. Next, we need to answer all these questions, and then we'll be taken to this page. Simply click on this Let's Start button, which will take you to the Manychat dashboard. And you can see that we are already on the automation page, from where we can set up our Instagram automations. We have 3 automation options here. These are basically 3 pre-made automation templates. When you use our affiliate link, you will directly get access to these templates on your dashboard. For this tutorial, we are going to show you the first automation setup, which is the comment on post and reels automation. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the Automation Workflow Editor. From here, you'll be able to make changes in this automation. As you can see, this template has everything set up already, and we only need to tweak some settings based on our requirements. First up, we have the automation trigger here. By default, it is for users' comments on posts and reels. If you want to change it, simply go to this new trigger option, and you'll find Other Trigger here. And when you click on any trigger, you'll see some settings on this left sidebar. Here, you can choose the posts and reels for which you want to set this automation. In my case, I will set the trigger to all post and reels option, which means whenever someone leaves a comment on my posts, the automation will start working for them. Also keep in mind that this option is only available for the Pro users. If you are using the free plan, you'll need to choose specific posts from your post list. Okay, now if I click on this Continue button, it will ask me to select some keywords for the automation. We can either add specific keywords here, or we can choose this Any Comments option here. The specific keyword option is better in my opinion. And since I am promoting a checklist here, I will set the keyword as checklist. I will add different variations here so that the automation works smoothly. We can also exclude some keywords from this automation. Next up, we have the option to set public replies to the comments. Here you can put 3 replies for your audience, and for every comment, the person will get a random reply from your account. So I will add some replies here and then hit the Save button. Okay, here's the overview of everything we've added so far. You can make changes to it whenever you want to. For now, let's go ahead on the next step. Next up, we need to craft our message. You can see this Send Message tab here. This reply contains a message and a button. On the left settings, we can type our message. Since I am promoting a checklist, I will type the message accordingly. Next, we have the button. For now, I will only change the button text here. Now, whenever someone will click on this Access button, the third step of the automation will trigger. So I will select the third step now, and just like the second step, we need to change the text and button here. First, I will change this text here. Next, I will go to Button, and here we need to enter the URL. I will add my checklist URL here. You can enter the link to your offer page here. Next, You can also enable this option if you want to continue your automation even further. We do have a lot of different options here, so feel free to play around with these options. These are very self-explanatory settings, so just play around with these options, and you'll understand how easy to use this tool actually is. Next, on the right side, you'll see this Action tab. Here, I will click on this Action button, and then I will be able to assign some tags and stats to the audience. For example, I can add a tag called Prospect here, which implies that these are my potential customers. We can also click on this Choose Next Step button and continue this automation. For now, I will stop the automation here. And then, we also need to connect every step with the next step, otherwise the automation won't work. And just like this, our automation is finally complete. Now we only need to click on this Set Live button, and the automation will be active on our Instagram handle. I will go to my Instagram handle now. Here, I have to add a call to action on my posts, so I will select any post from this list. I will go to the three dots and then click on this Edit option. Next, I will add a CTA under the caption section. Basically, we need to encourage the audience to make a comment based on the keyword. And then I will save the changes. All right, now whenever someone sees this post and leaves a comment checklist, the automation will be activated, and then the person will receive the message automatically from this handle. Next, if the person clicks on this button, they'll receive the access link to the checklist. And you can give access to anything using this automation. If you go back to Manychat, you'll see that there are many more pre-made automation templates available here. You can use Auto DM automation, which I just showed you. We also have the automation to generate leads from stories. You can recognize questions with AI and then answer them, and we have dozens of other automations here. For example, you can do a giveaway with this automation. You can grow your YouTube subscribers with this automation. There are automations for webinars, SMS, and almost everything. And if this seems confusing, then Manychat also have an AI automation builder. Simply click on this Create with AI button, and Manychat AI will do the work for you. It will ask you some general questions, and based on that, it will generate an entire automation for you. And then, just like we edited the previous automation, you can customize this one as well. That's how easy it is to use Manychat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask us in the comments section, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Of course, setting up Manychat automation can be a time-consuming task. That's why I generally recommend that you go ahead and hire an agency for such work. Letting an agency handle these operations will save you a lot of time, energy, and efforts, which you can use to grow other parts of your business. I will also leave some agency links in the video description, so make sure to check them out as well. Lastly, if you haven't signed up for Manychat yet, make sure to use the first link down below in the description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you all the latest offers and deals of Manychat, so make sure to use that link while creating your account. Once again, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.